Hi, it's Angeline here. Are you already in the Christmas mood? Because I guess I am, because I'm making lots of Christmas cards, and here is one featuring this really cute snowman from Unity Stamp, which is from the Special Winter Friends kit. I've already cut and colored it with my Copics. And I've already die cut this oval burst die from Avery, Elle, which is so awesome. And I'm grabbing some sequins from Cat Scrappiness, which is the Snowflake Kisses and Breezy Summer. So here I'm just gonna assemble the card and just let the music play. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed the fun way of using some sequins on your card, and thanks for watching. Bye!